Welcome, here I've got OPPO A52 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them to see how it works now. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. So to change its function, we have to move to more advanced options, and we can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. It gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here in the general settings, at the first place we have the volume button option. So when we tap on this we can change it, and we can pick from volume, shutter or zoom. So for now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go again to the camera and let me try to use them once again. And as you can see now, I can easily zoom by using these buttons and get closer to my subject and also go back. So this is how it works here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.